like?
Una-una nga palang tinry namin tong Xiaolong Bao na fried ba to or what? Pero ang sarap nito sa totoong buhay lang nga. Nagustuhan din ni Dante. And tinry din namin tong drinks na ginagawa ni Mama dito. Na parang sa Thailand. And sobrang nagustuhan ni Dante.
Itatry ni Dante naman ngayon is yung dragon fruit na milk, whatever.
Yeah,
Do you like it? Nalo ka na? Pinko! Wow! Itatry natin ni Dante yung scallops ng Philippines. How is it?
Urang sarap.
Dante, you will eat. This is what you call ihaw.
Ihaw.
At pinakain ko na ng ihaw si Dante at oh my god, nagustuhan niya yung barbecue pero the rest, I mean gets naman, ang weird naman kasi ng isaw at saka ng dugo or what. Pero grabe, hindi niya talaga bet yung dugo, super hindi niya nagustuhan yun.
Bye-bye.
You like it? Let's go, Dante. Itatry niyo yung sisig. Oh, pasabog.
Pasabog.
Now, the final boss. She will eat balot. Balot.
But in Vietnam, they say hoptiglong.
Hopchitlong.
Yeah.
Salt more.
Sobrang smooth lang ng pagkain ni Dante kasi may balot pala sa Vietnam or what. And favorite niya pala ang balot sa Vietnam kaya parang normal lang sa kanya yan. So yun lang mga antere. I miss you so much Dante. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi. You're so hot. You're so pretty, yes.
Yeah, matching.
Machi, oh yeah. Machi the couch. Guys, on the way na kami. Sobrang init dito sa Pinas. Wala pala tayo sa Pinas. What do you want to eat today, Dante?
Me.
Oh my gosh, you're so naughty, Dante.
Sorry, oh my god, what did I say? I eat
Mm.
food.
Hi guys! Mukbang agad guys, so first day pa lang, Diyos ko. Guys, grabe dami na naman yung binili. You will eat all that, Dante? Really? You will get fat.
It's okay because I'm so thin. You see? Good luck question.
Si Dante dito. Dante, turn around. Ah, can I take a picture?
No,
Who is them?
my boyfriend.
Oh, your boyfriend is that. Guys, mag-photobooth kami.
Ooh, so to me.
Grabe, sobrang sikip ah.
I can't breathe, Dante.
Hey, I will punch you.
Ito na guys, after 1 years. 1 years? Ang daming aberya sa buhay na itong puto. Ayan! Oh my gosh! Wala na, nahulog yung mga iPhone 17 Pro Max 1 TB fully paid. Filter. 100 smoothness.
Mas masarap to. Is it good?
Sarap naman.
Wow! You're a Filipina. Guys, photographer ko naman si Dante ngayon. Can you take me a picture, Dante? Matcha. Sikat to sa Korea guys na matcha. Tingnan natin kung masarap ba talaga. Sarap. Good? Good. Guys, sobrang sakit na likod ko ngayon. Tapos minamassage ako ni Dante. Thank you Dante for massaging my back. That's so good. Thank you Dante. The pain got worse. I can't feel my back anymore.
Oh my god, really? Okay, give me 1 million right now.
No, I will
We want.
I will call the police.
Okay, bye-bye.
Songkran. Dante, make me wet! Oh my god!